After watching this video, many people are choosing to discover what strategies are available. To learn the steps, get started by clicking on the description. Bitcoin and the entire cryptocurrency marketplace is making millionaires overnight. Does it make sense for you to learn the steps to getting started in Bitcoin? If so, click the link in the description or just go to dreamjob.careers. Sometimes you just need to find out. Take action right now and change your life forever. There are a limited number of openings, so reserve your spot today. You still have time to act now. Go to dreamjob.careers or click on the link in the description and check it out right now. There are several cryptocurrencies right now that are generating huge money for people just like you. Learn the steps to getting started with cryptocurrency fast. Yes, losses can happen, so this isn't for the faint of heart. You need the right tools to make the millions you're dreaming of. This is easy to follow. We walk you through step by step. You still have time to act now.